We all thought we got done with the new functionalities for Flow in summer 26 release. Now, Adam White just announced that we got 2 new features. They snuck in 2 new functionalities into the release. Sneaky, sneaky. Now, this one is for Adam. I'm going to take you for a spin around the block with the new show toast message functionality. Now, this is the kind of functionality we had to add a package for. We would install something from unofficial SF or App Exchange to make this happen. Not anymore. Now we have this action that is going to allow us to show a toast message in warning style, success information, or error style. We get to decide whether the user is going to dismiss this manually or it's going to disappear automatically. And we get to write the message title and the description for the message. We can include resources, make variable information appear, and we can use curly brackets to open this section over here to add a URL, which is fantastic. Now, I built this screen flow to show the toast message, and I put this on my contact page layout. I have not even included any criteria in here whether this message should show or not. I'm going to show you a little trick that I used. I made this screen flow conditionally visible. So now it's checking the last name for the contact. Now for Lex Luthor, it's not going to display. Let me just refresh my screen. And if I go to my contacts view and choose any of my Eddie Brock or Edgar Brock contacts, it's checking for last name to be Brock, it's going to show my toast message. See, the customer no longer qualifies for our services. Customer moved out of our service area. They no longer qualify for our services. For detailed information, refer to our terms. And this can be any web page, public URL or record link. This is fantastic. Enjoy it, folks.